You can start this by writing mixed number as 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 plus 4 by 5. And then go on adding integers and rationals. But instead of this, I'll give you a magic trick to solve this question in seconds. To find sum of any two mixed numbers, let's take these two. Result will be in the form of an integer, a numerator and a denominator. For denominator, multiply both the denominators. That means 3 into 4. For numerator, multiply numerator with denominator of each other and simply add them. And for the integer value, add both the integers. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Sum will become 3, 8 plus 9, 17 upon 12. In this case, numerator is greater than denominator, so subtract the numerator with denominator, keep denominator as it is and add 1 to the integer value. So this will become 4, 5 by 12. Now add this mixed number and the last mixed number. We'll use the same method for this. In denominator, 12 multiplied by 5. For numerator, multiply 5 with 5 and 12 with 4. An integral value is sum of 4 and 3. This value is 7, 25 plus 48, 73 over 12 and 5, 60. Again, numerator is greater than denominator. Subtract numerator and denominator. Keep denominator intact and add 1 to the integral value. This will become 8, 13 over 60.